So, I just got back from Vernal Equinox, and I had a box delivered while I was gone from Two Stupid Furs. This is my mystery box suit that I recently commissioned. This suit is a Canine-Possum. So, back when Arrow opened for commissions for the blind boxes, they were going to retire from suit stuff, but they're currently not doing that anymore. I decided to commission them one for a time, and I couldn't decide between a canine or a possum, which I thought would be really cool. So I was just like, why not both? So, it turned out really interesting, the design. She's UV reactive. All her fur is UV reactive. So I'll probably take a picture of her under UV light later. But, so I'm going to open this box, and this is going to be my first time seeing this suit completed. With mystery boxes, you get to choose the species, you get to choose the colors, and you get to approve the design. After that, you don't really see any whips or anything like that from the maker. My other suit, Victoria, is like that as well. She was a mystery box. So that's the way this suit is as well. The contents may be adorable. I actually have another one of those that Arrow gave me. It's actually hanging up on my fursuit room door. Okay. So, let's look at the little baggie here. So, this is her official Two Stupid Furs badge. Got keychain. Got this little tiny pin. I'll find somewhere to put that. Got some business cards. Aw, cute little sticker of Dusty. It's adorable. Another sticker. Let's see if I can get this out of here. This is just a little thank you letter. So it's just saying a little thank you. Alright, this is suit 151. Thank you for getting another blind box for me. I always enjoy getting to work with you, Arrow. And it's always nice to work with you too, Arrow. It's always wonderful to work with you. This is my 4th suit from them. Heart, Naomi, Victoria. This is my 4th suit, but it's the 5th Two Stupid Furs one because my mom owns Juliet, which is the Valentine's Day bunny. Oh, let's see if I can get this out of here. Oh. She also came with a tail because I commissioned the tail as well. Get the tail out first. My goodness. Here's her tail. It's so neat. I love this. This is so cute. His little possum tail. And I already see a little bleep. This is the thing I see in the bag. It's just a bleep. here's the bean. There she be. Oh, I love his hair. Oh, my goodness, that's so nice. I love that. That is so cool. I love how they did the hair. She's all lined on the inside, which is a nice little thing. She looks amazing. I love her eyes. So let's try her on. See how she fits. Her vision's really nice. This is awesome. This is so cool. So I can see out of the eyes, the way that the muzzle is shaped. I can't see out of the mouth, but that's okay. The vision is very nice. But yeah, she fits really well. I really love the design of her. She's really pretty. I'll put her under a UV light later. She has little plush teeth, and she has some 3D printed teeth under her tongue. She sewed the tongue to the mouth, so I can't really move it, but that's okay. But yeah, this turned out really awesome, and I really love how Quinn turned out. This is Quinn. I don't think I said that, but this is Quinn. I don't even remember how I got the name. I think I was trying to think of a name for her, and I think I ended up going with it, because I was trying to think of something different. But yeah, I highly recommend Two Stupid Furs, and I always recommend their work because it's honestly amazing. I love working with Arrow. They always do an amazing job. So, but yeah, it's the bee. There she be. So thank you again, Arrow. It's always wonderful to work with you, and it's always wonderful to see how my suits turn out from you. It's really awesome. So I highly recommend Two Stupid Furs for anything else in the future. It's like my number one maker that I always go to. But yeah, but there she is. That's her unboxing. Let me, there you go.